going into Mars with the sibling of a craft that crashed for reasons we really don't have a final answer on, how much more that adds to the stakes and the nerves among the team?
I think that's addressed to me.
Yes, I believe that's you.
I was dreading that. I can't put in words what it feels like to have it all come down to those, and I'll say 14 minutes after cruise stage separation. What I can say, you asked about the team. This team is made up of a mix of people who've worked on Polar Lander, who worked on 2001, and a mix of people who didn't. And those people who remain, who were part of the original teams, are the zealots. Those are the people who, really believe that if we could really work out the problems in this vehicle, we would have a successful landing. The other fraction of the team are people who were really, we purposely populated the team with people who are naysayers in the architecture. And I guess the biggest zealots are converts. And one of the things that we did over the last 5 years is get those people on board and really working hard to find the problems. Now, the fact that we found so many other issues relative to the review boards for 98, to me, is great. I was very concerned. I would be very concerned if we didn't. Frankly, I believe complicated systems have only undetectable bugs. And this is a very complicated system. And the fact that we found so many is heartening. What's in there that we haven't detected? I don't think there's much left. I think we're at the mercy now of the environment and at the mercy of the reliability of the system. As I mentioned before, there are a lot of events happening in a very short period of time. And probability theory, even at a 99% reliability factor, tells you that it's tough to get those things to work.
Anybody here superstitious about it?
We'll break out our peanuts at JPL just before landing, so that's the closest we get to be superstitious.
Okay. Last question here.
Just a final question about the journey to Mars. Has there any issues cropped up, anything happened right now, even a small thing that perhaps would affect the landing? Basically, what condition is the spacecraft in right now? How is the journey over?
The spacecraft's in perfect health right now. The journey has been so remarkably uneventful. It's scary how clean it's been. We had one anomaly on the entire 10-month journey. Back in, I believe it was October, we had a reset, or not a reset, we had what we called a safe mode entry. The vehicle detected an error in the dynamic memory, the DRAM of the flight computer. And we know why this happened. We have a known susceptibility in these RAMs and memories that we've flown on previous missions dating all the way back to Mars Pathfinder. And the vehicle behaved exactly the way we expected. We went through the nominal recovery process, and we haven't had anything since. So, and by the way, the event we know occurred because of galactic cosmic ray.
Okay, we're going to wrap it up. Basically, ladies and gentlemen, the stage is set. It's about excitement and anxiety. For the latest updates for the May 25th attempted landing, go to www.nasa.gov. Come join us out in California. We'll see you on Mars. Have a great day.